friends, this is Mariana. This is another video in Vegan Señorita. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make an awesome vegan keto pulled pork with jackfruit. And we're gonna serve it up in two different ways. A low carb sandwich and a super low carb salad so you can get all the fiber that you need in a single day without sacrificing the taste. So let's get started. To get started, these are the ingredients that you're going to need for a vegan keto barbecue sauce. Then you're gonna mix them together, put them in a saucepan and cook it down on very low heat. And then go ahead and cook that down for 20 minutes. In the meantime, as always, check your sauce for spices. That's gonna be really good. To get your jackfruit prepared, drain 2 cans and then you're going to rinse them with some fresh water and then pull them apart with your fingers just like this. Our sauce is ready. I'm gonna turn my Instapot onto saute and I'm gonna dump my jackfruit in there. Go ahead and add in a 1/4 cup of avocado oil and saute this for 5 minutes. And if you don't have an Instapot, don't worry, you can do this on your stovetop on a low heat. Turn the saute function off and then I'm gonna go in with my barbecue sauce and mix that really well. Once it's all combined, put your lid back on. Set your timer to 15 minutes on high. Make a super simple vegan keto coleslaw. I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of a vegan mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of a vegan sour cream. And then to that, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, garlic powder, some pink Himalayan salt. Awesome vegan keto, super simple coleslaw. Our jackfruit is ready. Pulled pork, vegan keto jackfruit. Super smoky, a little sweet, extra tangy. Here's one simple way that you can dress up this salad with your vegan keto pulled pork. Add about 2 cups of spinach, 2 tablespoons of coleslaw, 1/4 cup of your pulled pork right on top. That is a good looking salad. Check that out. Another option for a delicious vegan pulled pork lunch is to top it off on a low carb bread, coleslaw, 1/4 cup of your pulled pork directly onto your sandwich, some sliced avocados. Let's go ahead and put this bad boy on top. And check out all those layers. Jackfruit, you guys, it's a game changer. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do that now. That way you get weekly content just like this. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to give this video a like. I'm Mariana, this is Vegan Señorita, and I'll see you in the next video.